Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a payout method in the Airbnb application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the right corner you will find the profile option. Click on it. And after doing so, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see under the settings category the payments and payouts option. Press on it, and here you should select under the hosting category the payout methods. Press on that as well, and you can now press on the setup payouts option. And here you should select first your country and region. After that you can select how you would like to get paid. So you can be paid in your bank account, for example in euro or the currency that your country has, or you can also just add a PayPal, for example, or a Payoneer. Now I'm going to just select bank in this case and press continue. And I have to select now a bank account holder. I'm just going to select a random name here and press next. And here I have to fill out basically the information regarding the bank account. So the bank name, the SWIFT BIC ID, the IBAN, and the confirm IBAN. After that I have to press next and proceed basically with the end step and add the payout method in the list. So yeah, this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.